This is going to be a reverse dye, so I'm starting with a black shirt. It is 100% cotton since it will be over dyed with Procion dye. It is marked for the center line. You just can't see it, and I can barely see it. So go ahead and fold the shirt in half and half again, and then we'll start. Alright, use a ruler for this, it's a lot easier. Just adjust that until you're able to fold that in half. And then we're just going to work our way up. It's going to be a fairly steep incline here. It's like the what is it, alien spine that I did. So figure out your starting point. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and this will be tied with sinew probably every 2 to 3 inches. I'm just going to see what looks best as I start doing it. Right. Off to undye. Alright, for this I'll be bleaching with Outright Bright, and the fumes are unpleasant with this, so I highly recommend you use a respirator. I'm going to do every other section with the Outright Bright, and then go ahead and pour on the boiling water. Alright, I'm going to let that sit for a bit and then do the washout. Alright, going to wash this out. I'm going to toss this in the washing machine and we'll go to the next step. Alright, so this has been washed, soaked in soda ash for about 30 minutes and then spun out until it's just damp. And I'm going to go ahead and do a spiral with this one. I'm going to start right here, dead center, where everything else was. Just do a quick and easy spiral, and then we'll continue on from there. Alrighty. Okay, I have to say that's really pretty on this one. Off to dye. Alright, for this one I'm going with Fire Red, Deep Orange, Daffodil, Oxblood, Orange Crush, and Lemon Yellow, and these are all from Dharma. And having laid that, I just realized I have 8 slots and only picked 6 colors. Give me a moment. Okay, I'm adding burgundy and black cherry, and I'm doing it before the reds. So I'm going to back this up one and put this down, and you get the idea. All right. Alright, we'll go ahead and let that sit and melt through, and this is in a bowl so that it becomes a muck dye. Probably have to go with the second layer of ice. It's been over 24 hours, so let's go ahead and do this wash up. Alright, let's throw this in the washing machine and we'll take a final look. Alrighty, here's the front and the back. I don't have much to say. It's very different. What do you think? I mean, there's a few of the little tan, white, whatever you want to call it, spaces left where the re-dye did not actually cover. Other than that, it's definitely a different look. Not sure if I'm going... Okay, I'm going to say from looking at it from this perspective, you can't tell that it's a spiral. I'm going to say from this perspective, you can't tell that it's over dye. I'm not sure if that's going to look different when I look at the video and see it top down, because the perspective changes it quite a bit on some of these. It just looks more like a fire, really, because you've got the oranges, yellows, and reds, and it's the general idea of what I was going for. So I think it looks pretty good overall as far as a different type of design. What do you think? Let me know down in the comments below, and thanks for watching.